In this video, let me show you the power button location on your JVC Roku TV and also how to use it to have access to different items. So first of all, where it's located. Depending which model you have, there's a good chance it will be located under the TV, sometimes right under the JVC logo, sometimes it's on the side. If you have one of these smaller TVs, this is only a 22-inch. In that case, the power button will be located on the back. Let me see, right over here. You see, it's very tiny and it's located on one of the corner of the back. Every time you press this button, it will not instantly turn off your TV. A menu will appear on the left side. Let me show you. I press once on it and this appeared. You see, you have many options: turn off the TV, HDMI 1, 2, 3, antenna, etc. If you want to select one of the options that appeared there, you need to press on that button until the option you want is highlighted. Then stop pressing and it will be selected. So for example, I press once. Let's say I want to select live TV. I will press on this button many times until I highlight live TV, then I stop pressing and it will select it for me. So here go. Now this is live TV. Again, if I tap on this, I want to go on the home page. I'll select home. I'll leave it like this. And I'm back on the home page. So it's very easy once you have located the button to navigate through the different inputs. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.